How to manage your files. Good file management makes it easy to find things when you need them and ensures they're available when you need them. The first thing you need to do is decide where you are going to store your files. It is important to consider all of your options and then decide what is best for you. Some of your options are external storage, student share drive, your laptop, or online. Let's take a closer look at each of these. External storage is anything that can be removed from the computer and used with a different device. USB drives, also called thumb drives and flash drives, are convenient and easy to use, but they're also easily lost or misplaced. An SD card, like the small card that you can use in a smartphone or digital camera, works like a USB drive, but it is inserted into a different type of port. Your SD card port is on the right side of your laptop. External hard drives are larger devices than USB drives or an SD card, but they work the same way. When connected to your laptop through the USB port, you can store files on an external drive the same way you save files to a USB drive or an SD card. Like USB drives, SD cards and external drives are convenient and easy to use, but they can be lost or misplaced. The student share drive is another easy and convenient file storage option, but you cannot access it unless you are on campus, and some parts of the student share drive are not secure. Many students store documents on their laptop, either on the desktop or in the Documents folder. This is okay for temporary storage, but not a good idea for anything you need to access later. If your laptop needs repair, it will probably be re-imaged to the state it was when new. This means that anything saved on your laptop and not backed up to an external or cloud storage will be lost. You have a couple of online storage options that you can use to back up your files. Onslow County Schools provides a Sharp School eLocker for every student. Your eLocker has 5 gigabytes of storage and you can access it through ocsmail.net. Ask your teacher, media coordinator, or digital learning and teaching facilitator if you need help logging in to ocsmail.net. Your username is your web ID and your password is your birthday. Your Edmodo backpack is the best option for your file storage. You can access it anywhere that you have online access, and it has unlimited storage. This means that you can store as many files in your backpack as you want, but there is a size limit on the files of 100 megabytes. Decide what is important enough to save. It is not necessary to save every document you create, but try to use the Save As option when you do save documents and other files, to be sure that you know where you are saving it and that you aren't making unnecessary copies. Name and organize your folders. This is a lot more important than it seems. Although you might think it's easy to remember what your folder contains at the time you create it, think about how easy it will be to figure out later when you're in a hurry to locate something. You can make folders inside of folders to help keep things organized. For example, a folder named Math could contain a folder named Homework and another named Classwork. Or you could create a folder for each 9 weeks inside of your Math folder and create a Homework folder inside of each 9 weeks folder. Be consistent and choose file names that make it easy to find things later. You can't use any of these characters in a file name. Make a plan for cleaning up your files. Whether you do it daily, weekly, or monthly, decide to make the effort to check your file management system on a regular basis for outdated and unnecessary items that can be deleted. Back up or save your files to a second location for safekeeping.
Following these tips can help you manage your files and folders successfully without losing anything and being able to access them anytime you need them.
Created using Powtoon.